In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change variables in a Proposify template. Let's start by opening your web browser. In the search bar, simply enter Proposify and hit Enter. You should look for the first link that comes up, or the one directly associated with the URL proposify.com. Once you've clicked on that link, you'll be greeted by the Proposify homepage. Now, the next thing you'll want to do is look for the Log In button, typically located at the upper right corner of the page. Click on it and input your login credentials if you haven't already logged in. After logging in, direct your attention to the Content Library section. You should see it displayed prominently on the menu. Once you're in the Content Library, click on the +Create New option. This action will initiate the process of creating a new document or proposal from a template. Next, what you're going to do is click on Choose from Template Gallery. This is where you have a chance to review a variety of templates available for you to work with. Pick a template that suits your needs by clicking on it. After selecting your preferred template, go ahead and click Edit this template. This will open up the editing interface where you can make modifications to the template. Now, let's focus on the variables. When you're in the template editor, keep an eye out for any variables, the placeholders that are used throughout the document. These may appear in square brackets and are crucial for customizing your proposal. Spot the variable you'd like to change. Once you've identified it, go ahead and delete it from the template. In its place, type an opening square bracket. As soon as you do this, a drop-down menu should appear. From there, you can select a new variable that better fits the context of your template. This is a great way to ensure all the information is accurate and customized for your proposal. Finally, after making your variable changes, you'll want to proceed by clicking on Generate Document. This step is important as it allows you to finalize the document. Once your document is generated, you can add essential elements such as signature fields, ensuring a fully customized and ready-to-send proposal. These simple steps should make the process of changing variables in a Proposify template straightforward and easy. By following this guide, you're well on your way to creating professional, customized proposals with ease. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks.